have today?
Rokenbok.
Rokenbok, a retro toy review. We're wandering around the thrift store, and when we found this cool building set, so we thought we'd share it. What it is it has like remote control cars and trucks and a construction, like kind of a work site. Yeah, oh yeah, and the chips. And it builds really cool stuff like this, and we got a whole bunch of it. 2 whole bins. So, should we build something?
Yeah.
Let's build something and then make some movies?
Yeah.
Okay. So, here we are halfway done building a cool layout. We've discovered some cool stuff about it. We're under construction now. We've got some good ideas going. This is going to be a train track here. But we discovered that this is a conveyor. Put some balls in the conveyor, please.
It's not on.
Oh no, it's not on.
Guys,
Switch it on. Oh. So it lifts the balls up, dumps them,
blue ball
then they
goes
go
there.
down. Oh, and that one falls over there.
And now all you have to do for this one is you have to pull this thing to get the ball from the track.
Oh yeah, and that goes, it's a series of ups and downs that push the balls through. And turn on a remote control car. Let's show them how those work.
Okay, this is frontwards, this is backwards, sideways, and this helps you change what kind of vehicle, number.
Each one of these little chips here has a number on it, and you can switch it on the controller to activate each vehicle. And we have 4 vehicles, I think. So,
Yeah. And then here, when you press E, it goes up, and you go all the way up. Let's see what happens. It starts dumping,
and it dumps,
and then
and
A
it
is,
scoops,
and then A is back down.
and it works as a remote control car. Okay, let's keep working. Let's keep building.
Yeah. This we have right here. We have a half home and a half warehouse. Over here,
Let's scoop some stuff up.
I have some blue warehouse stuff. Over there, I have red warehouse stuff. And in the center is the train track, which is not really used. And here I have my little house. That I have here on the back.
Scoop some stuff up and flip it around and whatnot.
Okay. The wrong button.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's gonna flip the
Ta-da!
whole thing.
Ta-da!
Oh, you did it.
I have did it. Now I'll dump this in my dumping place.
Where's the jumping? Oh, it's all the way. That's not a jumping place. That's a roof.
No, you can use the dumping place.
Garbage man's here.
Hi. Hi, everybody. Ow. Uh-oh. Bang. Not again. What? Wow. What the? No, I hate this.
We have combined a couple of Rokenbok sets into one magnificent Rokenbok construction set city.
So, this is how it works. Like, here's the controls, but first I'll tell you it. So, like, this is an accelerator, so when you turn it on, all the balls go up, and up.
Yeah,
Into
put them
the
in and
train.
put them in. Show how it works.
Here they go up,
So, there you
they
go.
go up, and you get
And
into
it
the
gets
train,
dumped into the train.
and then demonstrate how it works.
Now move the train, Tice, over.
It's
It's number 3. So he turns the remote to 3.
3.
That is 3.
Oh, I'm doing all of 3.
Oh, there's more than one 3? Okay.
And then don't start dumping them in.
Now it dumps. Okay.
Dump it in.
And that starts the conveyor and lifts them up. And it dumps them down there.
We're down there.
Oh, they're not going down that chute. They're going down the wrong chute.
One. Okay.
Okay.
And then we take a truck. Pay attention. See the balls in there? And whenever I drive through, it moves. We're going here, over there, and to into the.
So this goes like that.
No,
Whoa.
I'll move the truck.
Whoa. Oh yeah, and you drive the truck back and forth. Keep going, you got it.
In and out. And
And then they all dump.
And
And where'd they all go?
so this is how everything works. For the train, A and B dump it back and forth. There's controls.
Whoa.
B, and when it goes all the way up, you'll see what happens. Farther, and start something.
Well, go get some balls. Show us how it works.
And down is A. So you already seen the other part, but now this helps you change to different chips. Each vehicle has a chip in it, and that's how you can change it. That's how you can control each vehicle. See, look at that one right now.
See, the chip is right here. And you can pop them out to change the numbers. This one happens to be a 6.
And put it
So
back in.
he puts 6
But
on
right
the
now,
remote.
it's flashing. This is on the wrong number. When I put it on the right number, it stops flashing and works.
Okay, go get some balls.
Alright, over here. I'm a lazy driver. I'm a lazy driver. Yeah, caught
Oh,
you.
he's scooping over there.
No, didn't work. Caught you.
Scoop it up.
Yay, got a ball.
There it is. We got it.
We'll get some more.
Go get some more.
Jumpy. I don't even need that. I can't see that. I'm driving
Going
back.
backwards. You don't have to adjust. That's what the remote is for.
I'm gonna do it over that. No balls in there. Dumpy into the train. Hey, last ball, come please. Last ball,
There it is. Okay, drive away.
B. So the other dump. Comes in B. Dump them in. Please do not go down the chute. You see the blue ball go over this one? Yeah.
Line them up.
Get in there. Yeah, I got it. I got 3.
Scoop them over. There you go.
You got next. Ow. You all Papa, Papa, I bet.
Okay, make the train go, please.
What?
Make the train go.
Okay. That's you driving with my dog.
Oh, you crashed.
Turn!
Did you put them all at the same number?
Yeah, they're all.
So they're all going. That's crazy.
Hey!
I think he's helping out.
Let's do the crazy thing.
We're gonna do. They all have the same chip in them, so they're all number 3, right?
Yep.
On your marks.
Having a race.
Get set.
Go.
Oh, I think the train's the fastest. So they really like the remote control part, but we only have one controller. But we have 5 vehicles that work. Surprising after all these years. A lot of the plastic is kind of brittle and starting to break, so it's best to find a lot of these kits because a lot of these will snap. Alright, you guys, what do you think of Rokenbok retro toy review? It's pretty cool. It's a toy that I had never heard of, so it's probably from the 90s. And I have a feeling it was a very expensive toy back then, but we got it at a thrift store. Pretty cool. Bye! You can say, don't forget, please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.